Today's vehicles are built better than ever, with sophisticated systems in parts to improve performance and comfort. But with that comes higher costs for parts and repairs. Should you have a mechanical breakdown, the expense to repair or replace parts could be a significant hit to your wallet. With our warranty contract, if a covered part fails, your out-of-pocket costs will be reduced or eliminated. You can have peace of mind, help your budget, and give you the freedom to spend money on the things you enjoy. If you have a mechanical breakdown, our warranty contract can help ease the pain. Bring your vehicle into our service center and have it diagnosed and cruise through roads with assurance. If it's a covered repair or replacement, you pay only your deductible and any cost not included in your contract, in addition to free service unlimited mileage, free recovery, free checkup, and free car wash and sanitization. Whether you're home or away, you can have peace of mind with the German Experts warranty.